This is a belt heater. The key components include the HMI, the emergency stop button, the buzzer, the start button, the USB port, the indicator lights, the upper and lower heating plates. This is the electrical cabinet, the power cable and socket, the power switch, the temperature controller. First, plug the power cable into the power socket and connect it to a 220 volts power supply. Then, turn on the power switch. Rotate the emergency stop button clockwise and press the power button to start the machine. The synchronous belts begin to reverse. The HMI lights up. First, click the I/O test. Then click the System Info. Press and hold the logo for 3 seconds. And enter the password, 6 ones. Then, you can modify the time in this interface. First, click the parameter setting. Here we can see the dormant time set, the auto stop set, temperature compensation. Among them, the first 2 parameters can be modified without requiring privileges. The temperature compensation requires engineer privileges. Choose 2 in the user blank. Then enter the password, 131216. Now you can revise the parameter. And click the button to on, if you need to use the dormant function. Now we begin to set the new program. First, click the program selection, which requires the operator privileges. Choose 1 in the user and enter the password 654321 to obtain operator privileges. For example, we can name the new program as 5 and set 520 degrees centigrade as temperature and 800 millimeters per minute as belt speed. After this, we click Update, and then the HMI to PLC. At last, we click Back, and the setting is finished. First, we click the button to on, and we can see the temperature is increasing. When the green light on, it means the machine is ready for work, and the synchronous belts start moving forwarder. First, place the heat shrink tube properly to cover the welding or pressing joint. Second, tighten the wire harness and feed both sides into the synchronous belts. The wire harness moves forwarder and is fed into the heating zone for heat shrinking. After heating completed, the cooling fan behind the heating area will cool down the wire harness. During the process of operating, if some failures occur, first we press the emergency stop button. The buzzer alarm and the synchronous belts reverse. Quickly open the upper cabinet to remove the wire harness and wait maintenance. Click the button to off. The heating plate begins to cool down. Turn off the HMI, and when the temperature is cooling down to 150 degrees centigrade, the machine automatically turns off.